Hi students, welcome to maths class. In the previous class we started fractions and we have seen some problems. Let us continue the problems now. First question, you look at which fraction is greater. What are the given fractions here? 3 by 5 or 2 by 3. Which fraction is greater among these two? As I told you earlier, to decide which one is greater, first we have to make the denominators same. That means given fractions should be changed into like fractions. Like fractions means denominators should be same. To make the denominators same, what did I tell you? The LCM. The LCM of 5 and 3. Denominators of LCM of denominators you should take is 50. So you take 3 by 5 now. 3 by 5 into, to change into 15 here, by what number you should multiply? 5 3 is 15, right? So numerator also should be 3. 3 3 is 9 upon 5 3 are 50. Similarly take 2 by 3. 2 by 3 into, by what number you should multiply to make 15? 3 5s. So 5 2s are 10 upon 50. Now clearly you can decide which one is greater among these two. Which one is greater? 9 by 15 or 10 by 15? Which one is more now? Yes, 10 by 15 is greater because these two are same now. That is 9 by 15 means what is our fraction? 3 by 5 less than 2 by 3. So therefore which one is greater now? 2 by 3 is greater. Like this you should do. Clear? Simple. Take the LCM of denominators and make the given fractions into equal denominators and you can decide which one is greater. Okay? Look at second one. Which one is second one? 5 by 9 or 3 by 4? The LCM of 9 and 4. Denominators are 9 or 4. So take the LCM of 9 and 4 is 36. Clear? Because there is no common factor among those. So you can write directly. Clear? So take 5 by 9. 5 by 9 into. Here we have 9. By what number you should multiply with 9 to get 36? Yes, you are right. 4. 4 by 4. 5 4s are 20. Whatever you write here, same number you must write in the numerator also. By 36. Now take 3 by 4. 3 by 4 into. By what number you should multiply this 4? 4 9s are 36. So 9 3 is 27 upon 36. Now it is understood clearly. Which one is greater here? Clearly 20 by 36 is less than 27 by 36. Since the denominators are same, we can decide easily which one is greater. So 20, 27. Among these two, 27 is greater. So you keep it like this. That is 20 means 5 by 9 less than 3 by 4. So therefore 3 by 4 is greater. Clear? Next, second one is which fraction is smaller? Same method, but they are asking here smaller. That's all. Easy to do it. 3 by 8 or 4 by 3 by 8 or 4 by 5. What is the LCM of? The LCM of 8 and 5 is 40. 8 5s are 40. So take 3 by 8 now. 3 by 8 into, by what number you have to multiply to get 40? 8 5s are. So 3 5 is 15 upon 40. Take 4 by 5. 4 by 5 into, by what number you should multiply this 5? 5 8s are 40, right? Calculation should be very clear. 4 8s are 32 upon 8 5s are 40. Remember that fractions of equal denominators. So 15 by 40, 32 by 40. So they are called like fractions. So clearly you can decide which one is greater here among these two. 15 by 40, 32 by 40. Clearly second fraction is greater. So that is 3 by 8 is less than 4 by 5. Okay. Now I want which one is less. Therefore, which one is less here? 3 by 8 is less than 4 by 5. So 3 by 8 is smaller. Understand? Don't write greater now. I don't want greater. They are asking smaller. Which one is greater? 4 by 5. If 4 by 5 is greater, automatically 3 by 8 is smaller. Okay? Next one is 8 by 15. 8 by 15 or 4 by 7. The LCM of 15 and 7 is 105. So you take 8 by 15 now. 8 by 15 into 15, what should we multiply? 7s. What is there here extra? 8 7s are 56 upon 105. Here 4 by 7 equal to 4 by 7 into 7, what should you multiply? 15. 15 4s are 60 upon 105. Clearly, which one is greater here? 56 by 105 is less than 60 by 105. Therefore, that is 56 means 8 by 15 is less than 4 by 7. So, therefore, what is smaller now? I want 8 by 15 is smaller. You understand now? Change them into like fractions and you can decide easily which one is smaller and which one is greater. Okay. Third one you see now. Third one is easy. Reduce the given fractions to their lowest terms. Take 8 by 10. Simple. You have to cancel the common number. Can we take 2 here? 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. So what is the lowest terms of given fraction? 4 by 5. There should be no further simplification. That is called simplified form. When do we say a fraction is in simplified form or lowest terms? If there is no common factor, no cancellation, that is called a simplified form. For example, you take 50 by 75. 5 table we can cancel here. 5 10s are 50, 5 15s are. Again take 10 by 15. Again there is cancellation, 5 2s, 5 3s. So what is the required simplified form? 2 by 3. There is no cancellation here. So same table you should cancel in the numerator and the denominator. So 18 by 81 for example. Which common factor we have? 9 2s 18, 9 9s are 81. So tables you should be very perfect. Every time I am saying. So learn the tables perfectly. 40 upon 120. If there is like this, you can cancel 0 0. 4 1s, 4 3s. So 1 by 3 there is no common factor. That is called simplified form. So 105 upon 70. You can cancel 7 table. 7 1s, 7 5s, 7 10s. Again 15 by 10 you have 5 3s, 5 2s. So 3 by 2. Right? So that is called the simplified form of the given fractions. Okay, hope it is clear. We will continue some more concepts in the next class. Thank you.